Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today I'm going to talk to you about Evolution's EXT 18 volt lithium ion batteries and which tools they fit in. But before I get too far into this video, if you're not already a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button, ding the bell, and then you'll know when our next videos come out. But also stay to the end of this video where I can show you how to save 5% on any of your Evolution purchases with a special discount code. So you may have already seen one of my videos about the Evolution 18 volt cordless circular saw, and maybe the video about the Evolution 18 volt cordless vacuum, and we did have a look at the battery packs that we have and the charger. This is an 8 amp hour 18 volt battery pack, and this is the 4 amp hour battery pack. That 8 amp hour one is quite a beast, and you can see that would perhaps work well in some of the larger tools. But did you also know that they fit Erbauer EXT lithium ion tools? So to prove that, I went and bought some. I've done a separate video on this unit already. Again, there'll be links above where you can see this video, but this one's currently running on a mains plug, but I can show you that it will also run on an 18 volt battery. So let me just put the camera back in the tripod and then I'll show you it plugged in. So on this lamp, it's got two rubber caps. You just need to just push that mains one down and stow away the battery rubber plug instead, which then allows you to slide the Evolution battery on top of the Erbauer lamp, and then we can just turn it on and away we go. And look, this isn't a cheat or something that you shouldn't be able to do. The two companies are working together to produce this single battery platform where both their tools can take advantage of each other's batteries, chargers, and of course body-only tools. So I just wanted to make this a fairly short video on the Evolution 18 volt EXT battery platform, and that the fact that you can plug them between the two different tool makers. At the moment, Evolution have got a small range of drill drivers, impact drivers, circular saws, chop saws. There's a vacuum and a light. You can just see here on the side of this box that Evolution have got a few more that also include garden machinery, lots of drills, sanders, and chop saws. There's a grinder, there's also an SDS drill, etc. So a good range, but you're not locked into the one manufacturer if you've got the batteries, and they are totally cross-compatible. So at the beginning of the video, I said I could tell you how you can get 5% off any of your Evolution purchases just by entering a simple discount code. I'm going to flash it up on the screen now. It's the word or the name Brian, all capitals. And if you drop that into your shopping cart as you're making a purchase, you'll get that 5% discount as well. So only really remains for me to say thanks again for watching Budget with Brian. We're on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe.